Victor, and today we're playing Burping Bobby, but it's right there. And today, my name is Victor, and this is my grandpa, Grumpy. But he's in the bathroom right now, so we have to wait because, so it's right there, so I'm going to show you guys. Dun, 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 dun. Burping Bobby, Burping Bobby. Oopsie. Sorry about that, guys. I'm going to put the thing right here, and then I put this right here. Play with Burping Bobby time. I like that song. That's my favorite. You guys want to hear me to sing the song what I did? Play with Burping Bobby time. Grumpy! Grumpy! Grumpy!
What?
I'm singing the song about play with Burping Bobby time. Sing it with.
Play with Burping Bobby.
Play with.
For his burps.
Play with Burping Bobby time. Watch out for his burp. I'm so excited, you guys. So let's get this game started. Alright, so guys, so you guys are gonna see Grandpa. Alright, let's bring it. Alright, let's go.
Over here.
Okay.
We're going to unbox Burping Bobby. This is Burping Bobby
Watch out for
from
his...
Goliath Games.
I know.
It's 2 to 4 players, ages 4 and up.
Okay. I'm gonna bring it over here.
Taking it out of the box.
Okay.
Okay.
Whoa! Oh my gosh.
There's Bobby. Say hi, Bobby.
Hi, Bobby. I'm Victor. Wait, I'm gonna do this. Hi, kids. I'm Bobby. Do you guys want a treat?
Comes with
Instructions.
And a handle. Hold on.
Okay, I will bring the YouTube over
And a
there.
handle that we have to put on Burping Bobby somewhere.
Okay.
Oh, it's on the side.
I want to put it over there. I will put it over
And it comes
there.
with, looks like, some game pieces.
I know.
We'll figure out what those are for in a minute.
Okay. These are the food. So if you each got a number, that means you got 1 number, 2 number, and 3 numbers. Just like, so if you eat it like
we
this.
need batteries.
Yeah, we need batteries. So if Burping Bobby eat his mouth like this, ah, and then he will eat it like this, like just like that. But be careful if he more eats. So if you got it each number right here, you got 1 Coke. So if you got each another number, you got 2 numbers and 3 numbers. All right. There's no 4 and there's no 5. I'm scared. We got the screwdriver. Grumpy, I want to put Bobby right here, and then you sit over there.
Hold on, let me put batteries in them first.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
What?
It takes triple A's, not double A's. I don't know if I have triple A batteries.
Okay. Grumpy, I'll sit in this table, and then you sit right next to me.
Hold on, I might not have batteries.
Okay.
like Victor just got lucky.
I know. Now we're gonna put the batteries. Put the batteries. 1, 2,
It takes
3 batteries.
Am I on screen? 3
Batteries.
AAA batteries.
AAA batteries for his butt. Where's Bobby's butt? Where's his butt?
In the same place every other thing's butt is.
But where's his butt? I don't see it. I don't see his butt. Where's Burping Bobby's butt? Wow, look at this one. That one looks cool. Hiya, kids. Hiya, kids. I'm Bobby. Do you guys want to play? Do you guys hungry? Do you want to eat food?
What's this for?
Great. Let's eat it. Yum, yum, yum. All right, it's ready.
Okay. So I'm gonna crank on position. Squeeze the pipette. Dip
I'm-
it.
Grampy.
Hold on, dude. I'm reading.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm getting scared for the burp. I'm scared. We might take off his ears.
Okay, I need to get water.
Okay.
You have to put
That water is weird. Where did you get that water from?
the sink.
That water looks weird. That water looks weird right now. Where did you get that water from? In the sink. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Okay, you put just enough water in his ear to where you start seeing water in the other one, and then you put his ears back on.
Okay.
Okay,
Is it ready now?
it is ready. Let me move this out of the way.
Okay, let me put this right here so people could see.
Put it over there.
Okay.
And move the bag.
Okay.
Turn it just a little bit.
Right there. Right there. Right there.
Yeah, that works.
Okay.
Okay,
We need to open the food.
yeah, let's open up that.
Okay. All right.
Pop all these out.
Okay. Let's see. Don't drop them. Okay, let's get started.
Let's put these all face down, I guess.
I don't know. There's his mouth. I'm scared when he done eats his mouth, he's gonna burp it over there.
Okay,
I'm scared.
turn those on. All right. We pick a token.
Okay. You'll go
We
first.
don't know what's in there. There's cola. There's garlic. There's cheese.
Okay. Grampy.
So,
Grampy.
huh.
I'm scared.
So we mix them up like this.
Grampy.
What?
I'm scared.
What?
Oh, when he's done eating his food, he will burp.
Okay.
I'm scared.
You open his mouth.
Oh, I'm
You
scared.
pick a token, and I got beans. I have to put the beans in here,
Okay.
and then I crank the handle
Oh my
2
gosh.
times. 1,
2.
2.
Oh my gosh, that was
Okay.
really scary.
Okay.
That was really scary. I'm gonna get off of the table.
Now, pick one.
Okay. I'll choose the middle.
What? How many? What does it say?
2.
2 what? 2 cheeses. You open his mouth, put it in there, and you turn the handle 2 times.
1.
That was it. 2.
Oh my gosh, that was really scary.
Okay, my turn.
That was really scary.
Now, the game is over when he burps. 1.
Oh no.
Open his mouth, and I put the
I like
garlic in
1.
there. And 1. Victor, your turn.
Okay. Yes, 1!
Open his
Yay!
mouth and put it in there.
I'm like very scared.
Turn it.
1.
1. Campy's turn.
That was really scary.
1 onion.
Okay.
Victor's turn.
Okay. Oh no, 2. 2 is like very scary. 2 onions. 1, 2. Yes!
2 colas.
2 colas. Oh my gosh.
Your turn.
Okay. 2, 3. Oh
3.
no! No! Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. That was really scary.
3 pizzas.
No, 3 is
Oh no. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I smelled a burp. Was that a burp? Yes, Mom.
What are you doing?
Playing Burping Bobby. 1, 2.
3 colas.
Okay. That was my mom.
2.
Ew.
Oh, that's gross! Ew! Oh, that's gross!
Grampy lost.
Yay!
Victor won.
Victor's the winner.
Yay! Yay!
How do you get the things?
Whoa! I am
That
doing
looks
for.
like Grampy.
Oh!
It's cold air.
It's water vapor.
Oh, okay.
Can you turn them off?
That was really burping.
How do you get... Oh, there it is. Now to get him back out, he's got a little door on his
Food?
butt. And the food comes right back out. Look at all that.
Oh!
Does mommy want to play a game?
Yeah! Let's start. Let's play.
Hi, everybody. I'm Victor's mom.
That's right. She name is Melanie, and then we're playing it again. Let's play again.
Okay.
Do it again. That one's cool. You might get last to do. Wait, we gotta turn him on.
He's on.
Is he on?
He's on.
I like his little belly button.
Okay, who's first, Victor?
So what do we do?
Mom!
Just flip the coin?
Mommy!
Yeah, you pick one. There's different foods with a number. And wherever the number's
One.
on there. See,
Beans.
Open his mouth and put it on his tongue. And you turn the handle one time.
One.
One. Victor, your turn.
No. 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 Two. That's very hard to say.